We're going to Ponderosa Skate Park.
Engineer getting paid off, rock like Ace up, like the week.
Gross. About to show you guys the new slammin' line. I say this every single time I come out with a drop. I hate calling it a line because I feel like biggest cringe lord ever saying that. I'm really excited on it. This is the biggest drop yet, as a matter of fact. I'm coming out with the most stuff. 2 of the items I do not have yet. Yes, I am releasing another striped shirt, and I'm also releasing an embroidered hoodie. Listen here, I want to say this. This is actually really important. And I've said this before, which it is true. I have followed through with it, but even more so now, I'm gonna double down on slammin'. I want that to like actually be my primary source of income. As you know, as everyone knows by now, in the last 2 years, all the changes on YouTube is kind of like in an awkward state. I love doing YouTube. I'm not complaining about that kind of stuff, but slammin' is like where I can get really creative and like work with other creators to help like make it sick. So like that's what we're focusing on. And this is the biggest line coming out yet. I hope you guys like it. I'm about to show you the new stuff. I'm hyped on this. I've never done something this extravagant except for the pink shirt.
Oh wow, that is nice.
Look how sick this is. Should we try it on? Should we do a little fashion show?
Yeah, put it on.
How does it look?
It's great.
I've never ever worn a color this bright in my life. And I'm actually feeling it.
And somehow you're outshining it. It's incredible.
Wow.
Oh, that one's sick.
Holy shit. This is really nice. Bro, feel this.
Ooh.
Dude, this is quality. Bro, this t-shirt looks legit as fuck. This is my personal favorite. Mostly because it looks like a band album cover tee. I just think it looks sick.
It's very Bauhaus-esque.
Right?
Very Bauhaus.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I like it. This is the Slammin' issue 4 tee. These are all photos from issue 4's zine. I haven't done this color either. Damn, this looks nice too.
Oh, that's the long sleeve. I like that one a lot. It makes you think of Captain Planet.
You like it?
Yeah, it's sick.
This is just 4 pieces. We also have the zine, and we have the hoodie I told you about, and the striped shirt. I wanted to do a bigger line, hoping that it carries over a little longer. Very excited. I will show you guys the 2 other items when I get them next week. When I come back from Michigan. I didn't tell you guys that. I'm going to Michigan for a week. Dropping September 15th. Fact of the matter is that it genuinely just keeps getting better and better. Credit where credit's due. Buy Slammin'. Link in description. The pre-order for issue 4 is live. First 50 orders get a special exclusive Slammin' sticker that I'm not gonna make again. There's only 50 of them. So if you're one of the first 50 to pre-order, you will get said special sticker. Thank you, and Godspeed. It feels like a chain wall. That's what it feels like.
So like a pussy magnet? Watch him come nowhere near this.
Can I carry my run-up? I need to get this exact angle because I have 0 confidence in my skateboarding abilities. P.S. Like, comment, subscribe. I really like it. I really appreciate it if you bought some of my slamming gear. Thank you.
That's a good slam. I'm gonna count it. I don't care how slow I roll away. I'm done trying that. I think Keanu Reeves is on my flight. Before we get into this portion of the video, I want to make it very clear that I know how to safely shoot a gun. I am by no means a gun expert. All of the other guys that we were with, they are the owners. They have more knowledge on the guns than I do. So I am not making any claims on gun knowledge whatsoever. We also did it with a backstop in a safe environment where no one was around, no bullets trailing off into houses or anything of that nature. This video is not a statement of me being for or against firearms in any way, shape, or form. Just the sheer curiosity factor of seeing how many skateboards would stop a bullet. You know how to carry some stuff? This is your video. Okay, alright, fine, okay.
I'm practicing my zooming.
Alright, bro. You're just not zooming, you're just walking closer. This is gonna be sick. We got 10 skateboards here. That's gonna be heavy to carry, dude. I'm not that strong. Since we are in the yeehaw states of Ohio and Michigan, we're gonna shoot some guns. I don't know a lot about guns, but people out here do. How do I get on my knees? How do I? What's the proper position?
It's a shotgun.
We're gonna see how many skateboards will stop a bullet. We've got like 3 or 4 different guns. Handguns, some AR-7000, some 82 9 milligrams. 9 milligrams.
That's not okay.
I really don't know anything about guns. What's the name of this gun?
AR-15.
9 milligram.
That's a 22.
22 milligrams. Did I hit the box? I don't think I hit the box. Let's do it again.
Yeah, you got it.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
Oh shit, shallow broke.
Wow.
So we've lined up 10 boards and we have like 4 or 5 guns. We're gonna use them all and see how many each gun will go through. Do we have any predictions on which gun will make it through all the boards?
See that right there? That's going through all of them.
You think so? This is John Fisher. John Fisher is an excellent skateboarder. He shattered, ow. He shattered his ankle, like, well, how long ago was that?
A year and a half.
He shattered his ankle about a year and a half ago riding motocross, but he's a phenomenal skateboarder. I'm gonna put some footage in here so y'all can see.
223 will go at least through 4, maybe get stuck in the 5th.
I'd say 6.
From the fire?
I'd say 5, yeah. 5
I say
would
that
get
goes.
stuck
I
in
say
the
that
6th.
one from the fire goes through all of them but 2.
A big bullet, that's gonna go through 4, get stuck in the 5th. This is gonna go through 6, get stuck in the 7th. A 22 will go through 1, get stuck in the 2nd. A 9 will go through 3 and then get stuck in the
That's what my dad said. My dad said
Fourth.
that'll go through 3.
This will go through about a football field and a half and it'll start dropping. The 9 mil will go about 1, stop dropping.
Oh, look how much shit just came out of my ears.
Ew.
That's disgusting.
I'm aiming right here at his head. There's no.
Oh, it fucking hit right here. It went through.
Right here.
1, 2, 2. See,
3.
just like I said, got stuck in the 3rd.
This is the 9 milligram, right?
Yeah, it's 9 milligrams.
Oh, you hit the bottom of it too low.
Fire again.
Fire one more time.
I hit it?
I think you hit it that time.
I think you went.
You hit it right here.
Yeah.
Oh, went through. 2, 3,
3,
4, 5.
But then you're aiming at the dirt.
Yeah, then it hits dirt, so it can keep going.
Did I go through?
I had to.
I see one more.
Oh, yeah.
That one went through for sure.
Right there.
Same spot.
Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6.
Hit 6, got stuck in the 7th.
Well, we are a lot closer than we were before. I bet you if we were closer with the other gun would go through.
223 arrow position.
Okay.
It's your multi-cow.
Ooh. Yeah.
Ooh.
You get it? Right there?
Yep.
2, 3, 4, 5. Oh.
Oh, that went through all of them, dude.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah,
Did it really?
for sure.
It just kept dropping.
And then it goes through on the bottom right here.
Oh yeah, he's right. It goes through right there on the bottom. That one went all the way through, bro.
Look at the hole that MF put in it.
Oh, dude, that's your butt right there.
It went all the way.
It went all the way through?
Yeah.
Dude.
Well, we shot fucking point blank.
Wow. Yeah, but that
Damn.
just goes to show
dude.
though.
That is wild.
Put a big hole through the 10th one.
The shotgun went through. What was the other one that went through that was his?
The 223.
AR-223 went all the way through. The 9, what'd that go through? That went
That went through 6. Got
A
stuck
9
in
club?
the 7th.
got stuck in the 7th. 9
9
club
mil
got
went through
stuck in the
6
7th. What was the one that only went through 3?
That was 22.
22 went through 3, stopped on the 4th.
I threw 2, stop on the 3rd.
Oh.
How about the coupe? How about the shoot? Y'all gotta move. Y'all gotta move. Give me the juice.